What's up, FHS? Welcome back to the Saber Roar. I'm Corey.
And I'm Braden. Today we will be recapping one of FHS's most favorite events, March Madness, Volition Youth, explore FHS's art department, and check in on our reporter Sufyan at the bowling alley. Hopefully he doesn't miss a strike.
The competition was intense, the energy was off the charts, and March Madness at FHS did not disappoint. We've got the best moments from the tournament, from buzzer beaters to unbelievable plays. Let's go over to John Akon to check out the highlights.
Put them in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, take a berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real, that's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? Guys around me, they love to talk. I take it all with a grain of salt. This work that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to undo it. And still they all say they don't know if the shoe fit. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded. With all these illusions, I know it's disputed. I gotta keep growing, they see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets, I don't listen to the critics. I'ma push them to the limit. And these rappers getting timid, I've been balling like a pivot. I don't step into the scrimmage, I just play it when I'm in it. Trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping when I make them see the vision. Man, I put them in the prison with these bars that I've been spitting. And this life that I've been living, I'ma go, I'm on a mission.
Take two for the drop, jaw plotting on the boy. See me putting in the work, whole milk, I don't do it soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on. My eyes on.
What a tournament. The players left it all on the court, and in the end, only one team could take home the title. Congratulations to the champions and to everyone who made this an unforgettable event.
Have you ever wondered what club has done hot chocolate tablings in the morning and can be seen working at a table during lunch periods? That's right, it's Volition Youth.
Today, we are with Volition Youth. Let's take a minute to look at what they do.
We just keep announcing it.
So Volition is a drug, tobacco, and substance misuse prevention club. Students can join within middle school or even high school.
Volition has a number of different activities that they do, one of which being lunch tablings.
So some of the school events that we've done as Volition Youth, we've done a lot of tabling events at our school during lunches. So we've done little wheels where each wheel has a little question and then you answer the question to get a prize.
Volition has two advisors, Megan Conway from the health department and the school social worker, Ms. Mulshine. We were able to speak with Ms. Mulshine.
If you are interested in any of those topics, feel free to reach out to me, Ms. Mulshine, and I can set you up with how to get involved.
It appears that this club is making an impact on the larger community by spreading awareness on the harms of the substance misuse and the long-term side effects.
FHS has many art classes to offer students, such as photography, ceramics, digital art, painting, and more. Let's go stop in with our reporter Hannah and learn about one of the many gems FHS has to offer.
I'm Paula Bausch, one of the art teachers here at Franklin High.
If you are looking for elective classes for the upcoming school year, choose one of the many classes offered through the FHS Art Department.
The art department's the heart. If it weren't for us, how many people would not have a space to be? It is a place to realize you can be creative, be yourself, and just send awesome into the world, which we need desperately.
You can focus on different mediums. Traditional classes include printmaking, drawing and painting, ceramics, photography, and sculpture. You're also able to take classes working digitally, such as digital art and design.
So intro classes like Ceramics 1, Photo 1, Drawing and Painting 1, all give you base knowledge. How to use a variety of different materials and media, how to work the camera if you're doing photo. As you advance, we take those basic skills and we push it and let you run with your creativity.
If juniors and seniors are more serious about taking art classes, then they should take AP Art Studio, which is a college level class.
AP Art Studio video is a college level course. Like any AP level course in Franklin, what we do is we focus on creating a portfolio. So you don't take a test, you create a body of work that we submit to AP where it will be judged by a set of criteria and you can get a score. And that score, depending on where you go for school, can help you add credits to your beginning and in essence help you save some money.
On the topic of college, many FHS alumni major in art and then go on to do big things in the community.
If you love art, you have to find your path though. You have to find your passion because creativity is everywhere. The arts are everywhere. And you just have to find the path that's going to work best for you to be able to be a productive member of society, but also put your art out to share with the world.
Thank you, Bausch, for your insight. We appreciate the art community in FHS more than they will ever know. Make sure when you're signing up for classes next year, you give the art department a chance.
Bowling just got more intense because every gutter ball comes with a twist.
Today on Bowling with Punishments, Sufyan Bemani, a part of the Saber Roar, will be taking on Noah Hugh, a Franklin bowler. Who will win? Will it be the Saber Roar or one of Franklin's own bowlers? Let's find out.
You miss a strike, you pull a punishment card, and the first person to get to 4 strikes wins.
I'm cooked.
You have to pull a punishment card.
All right.
Whatever it said, you have to do it.
Oh, I'm scared, bro. You're scaring me.
What does it say?
Blind bowling?
Oh.
I'm so scared, bro.
No way. No way.
I'm just like that.
Perfect.
Work with what you got.
That's Jimmy Buckets right there. No, that's not a strike.
Got to lock in. In.
Backup ball or something really good. Granny shot. Oh. That just did not go as well as planned.
That was luck. That was all luck.
All right, here we go. I'd love to see it. Mike. We split and the mic fell.
In. That is in.
It's not my honor, but it is my duty to congratulate Noah Hugh for winning the first annual Bowling with Punishments.
I'm shocked. I didn't expect it. I thought I was gonna lose, that's for sure.
I'll see you next time on Bowling with Punishments.
Thanks for tuning in. Better luck next time, Sufyan. Oh, and before we forget, this week's Saber Pride Spotlight goes out to freshman Katiana M., who was nominated by Miss Tomasino for their hard work and dedication in English class. Not only does she put an effort to improve her own skills, but she also goes out of her way to support classmates who needed extra help. Her kindness, patience, and willingness to lend a hand makes her classroom a better place for everyone. Keep up the amazing work.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
If you have any suggestions for what you would like to see in the Saber Roar, then scan this QR code. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter @the Saber Roar to stay up with all things Saber Roar.
We'll see you next week, Sabers.